Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, sometimes fashion hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, from the title you know this one is going to be my first impression on the cheapest makeup from Nykaa. So you see this face has all the cheapest makeup from Nykaa, and I had all the products over here and I have achieved this look, which I think is pretty wearable. But yes, there were a few misses, a few hits, so you will get to know everything. Just be in the video, and yeah, let's get started and let's see how I created this makeup look, which is very dewy, very luminous I feel. And yes, I am starting a little bit from here, but you will know in the video what worked for me, what did not work for me. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so I have this box full of makeup lying over here, which I ordered from Nykaa, if you can tell. And all of the products which I have were the cheapest. If you can see here, I have a bunch of products and these were cheapest on Nykaa's website. So I thought, why not try this out, because you know this video is going on trend and so many people are trying. Also, many of you wanted me to try out Inside Cosmetics products, so I have done that as well. I have got a few products of Inside Cosmetics, A, because they were cheapest rather, and B, because I really wanted to try out a few products from Inside Cosmetics. So in this video you are going to see how I am going to create a look using all of these products. All of these are my first impressions. I mean, most of these, apart from Blue Heaven products, because I know how they perform on my skin. And Inside Cosmetics product, I haven't tried anything, haven't touched anything, so I am going to try it out with you guys. So I'm going to try it out in this video with you guys. So yeah, grab a coffee or a snack and let's get started with the video finally. So my skin is already moisturized, so the very first thing which I am going to apply is a primer. And for primer I have this Blue Heaven base primer. So actually मैंने ये use किया हुआ है. This is a flawless base, makeup base. It fills pores and you know gives this illuminating kind of effect. I have already used this primer, but yeah, this was the cheapest one. And इसके अलावा एक Inside Cosmetics का भी था, वो भी cheap था. I have done a review on Inside Cosmetics, तो मैंने वो नहीं लिया. I thought of picking this up. So yeah, so I'm just going to clip my hair, because you know I really don't want any of the makeup to mess up with my hair. But guys, and these days I am trying out new backgrounds, so let me know what you like. Thank you so much for liking my previous background. I'm so happy about it. So I'm just going to try this out. Although मैंने ये पहले try किया हुआ है, I know how this works, but still. So I'm just going to apply it where I have pores. I don't have a lot of pores, but then I'm just going to fill these pores over here. Yeah, and around my mouth area also, because I really don't want anything to peek through and I want my base to look nice. And by the way, I have already moisturized my face, इसलिए मैंने moisturize नहीं किया है. And yeah, अब मुझे नहीं पता ये वीडियो किसने शुरू की थी, but मैंने निधि की वीडियो को देखा था and वहाँ मैंने देखा था she was trying cheapest makeup from Nykaa, so I thought let me also try it out. And now coming for the foundation, I have this foundation over here. This is a V John Women Foundation Best Makeup. Let's see best है क्या. तो ये 50 rupees का है only. तो I was so intrigued that 50 rupees, and then you get quite lot of quantity in this 60 grams. Can you imagine 60 grams for 50 rupees? I am so scared that इसमें कुछ ऐसा ना हो that will not suit my skin. And this is how the inner packaging is. I don't know. And guys, इसमें ना एक ही शेड अवेलेबल था, तो I just picked it up क्योंकि 50 rupees का ही था, तो I thought कि चलो यूज करके देख लेते हैं. Pray for me, because I really don't want my skin to get खराब using this foundation. And I can literally tell that this is going to be so light for my skin tone. See this is going to be super light. Anyways, जब यूज करना है तो यूज करना ही पड़ेगा. I am going to use Cups and Lashes brush. This is in the variant F103 and मुझे ना इसको oh my god, देखो, it is so light. And इसके अंदर से ना एक अजीब सी फ्रेग्रेंस आ रही है, तो मुझे नहीं पता how this is going to fare on my skin. And ऊपर से I am NC42 and I can see that this is feeling like some cream. तो चलो गाइस लगा के देखते हैं. वैसे I don't have high hopes from this foundation, क्योंकि मैंने निधि को देखा था इसको यूज करते हुए, so I don't know. So I am using a brush, क्योंकि स्पॉन्ज यूज करूंगी तो पता नहीं, you know what, कुछ लगेगा ही नहीं ना, कवरेज दिखेगा ही नहीं. That's why I am using a sponge. That's why I'm using a brush. And let me tell you, this is not drying. This feels like a cream, as if I'm applying a cream. And इसकी जो scent है ना, it reminds me of my childhood because it is so familiar. Although the shade was so light, but because it is like a moisturizer, it has just adjusted to my skin tone probably. Now the thing is कि at least ये आपके face को dry नहीं कर रहा है. Although the shade was totally mismatched, but this has just given my skin a tint. तो अगर आप fair skin tone के हो, medium skin tone के हो, I think this can be useful. But let me tell you one thing, that इसमें कोई coverage नहीं है. No coverage whatsoever, nothing. It's like a layer which is sitting on my face. So just wanted to let you guys know about this. And I can see that it is dewy because can you see this shine over here? You are getting some sort of shine over here. So it is dewy, it is kind of dewy. Okay. I just hope that it is looking fine on camera. I think so. I'm not very sure about it. Any which ways, and now let's see the concealer. And I will talk about the foundation later. पहले मैं सारा makeup कर लेती हूँ. Then we will talk about every product in detail. So this is the Inside Cosmetics concealer. Now Swiss Beauty वाला भी था. That was also cheap. दोनों same price के थे, but this was more cheaper. This is in the like ये क्या है ना, 110 रुपए का ही है. And this is made in India by the way. This is in the shade Sunbeige. मैंने try किया था कि मैं सबसे darker shade लूँ, लेकिन shades का आपको shades का पता ही है ना online. So ये थोड़ा अजीब सा highlighting shade में है. Let's just apply this and see. It's again super light. So this is what it looks like. पता नहीं guys, I mean totally mismatch है सारा. I'm thinking सारा ही mismatch आया है product इस बार. And हो सकता है इसके बाद I'll do a blog sale. So if you have fair skin tone, मुझसे fair हो आप, तो you can buy all of these stuff. For that you have to follow me on Instagram because वहाँ पे ना मैं blog sale करती हूँ. जो भी मुझे नहीं fit होता, I just sell them at a really reasonable price. You won't get these products on that price. Like as low as 50 rupees. You can definitely, follow me on Instagram. So अभी तक तो ये blend अच्छे से हो रहा है, but I'm really not sure about the shade because this has a pink undertone and I like my products to be a little bit on yellow side. Okay, so blend तो हो गया, but I don't think इसमें भी कोई coverage है. Please tell me that I am not lying. क्योंकि मुझे तो इसमें कोई coverage दिख ही नहीं रहा है. It's like just कि हाँ आपने apply कर लिया है कुछ और that's it. I just hope I'm not looking too white. I mean देखती हूँ थोड़ा मैं अपने आप को सामने से, तो बस ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने बहुत सारा कोई क्रीम लगा लिया है. And this concealer does not have a lot of coverage, but what I can see is that it is very nicely blendable. हालांकि coverage उतनी नहीं है, but if you are a college going girl, I think this might help you. It says it is 2x cover master, but मुझे नहीं लगता कि this hides anything. I don't have that much of dark circles, so you can't see if it has worked on me. Concealer does not work that well, but बहुत ज़्यादा बेकार भी नहीं है. So I think it's a pretty decent concealer, but it is not better than the Swiss Beauty concealer. I think Swiss Beauty concealer is still better than this one. So now to set my face, I am using this Flawless Finish powder. This is from Blue Heaven, of course. Now I have tried this powder in the past, and this was the only cheapest powder which was available on Nykaa's website, क्योंकि ये बस 120 rupees का है and off था, तो मुझे और सस्ता मिल गया. So I'm just going to try to set my base. And by the way, this is in the shade, let me tell you, dark tan. So let's just open this, and it does come with a puff, with a cute puff, and you can, but just set your face with the powder. Now I'm just going to set. I don't think so I will be able to apply powder with this. You can clearly tell that my skills of applying powder is not that well with the puff. Just taking my brush and just going to brush it through. देखना पूरी जगह पे लग गया. So just can't, but the good thing is कि इसके साथ आपको एक ये puff मिल जाता है, तो you can definitely use it with the puff. Now frankly speaking, because I have tried this powder, so I'm not a very big fan of this powder. I don't know why. I mean, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ना ये पैची कर देता है मेरे फेस को. So I don't know how it is looking on camera, but I can see in the mirror that otherwise ये एक बहुत सही powder है, because it's first of all very cheap and Blue Heaven है. So Blue Heaven is a nice company, a nice Indian company. तो but I really don't like it because it first of all it does not cover anything. It does make my makeup matte a little bit and does have a sheen to it, but again does not have a lot of shade options. And secondly, it does not do the job properly. It's just ऐसे ही powder है, आप ले लो. मतलब are you getting my point? The thing is you can buy it and use it क्योंकि ये सस्ता है, but I can't see much. I hope you are getting what I try to say. Now I was thinking that let us apply some blush on my cheeks. Now for blush I haven't got any blush because जो भी blushes थे वो सारे Blue Heaven के थे और मैंने Blue Heaven के यूज़ कर लिए हैं. बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आए हैं मुझे, मतलब अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे Blue Heaven के ब्लश, बट द थिंग इज़ कि अभी मेरे पास नहीं था तो मैंने खरीदा भी नहीं क्योंकि मैंने पहले यूज़ किया हुआ है. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज इंस्टेड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस Blue Heaven वॉक फ्री लिपस्टिक. दिस रिटेल्स फॉर जस्ट 85 rupees and this is the cheapest lipstick along with one more lipstick which I will show you in the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use it as a blush and I think it will work nicely as a blush. So I'm just going to just going to draw a few strokes on the back of my hand and then I'm just going to apply it using my hands. And by the way, this is in the shade 310 Plum Desire, so it's a pretty nice color for your blush. Now I'm going to use my brush for applying it. Now it's a pretty nice shade, but let me tell you, it just becomes very matte, so you have to be very very fast while applying this. So you see I am sweating from here. That's what I was talking about the powder, that the powder doesn't do much. And just going to take a little bit more onto this side. So you see this just gives a very nice dimension to my face and a color as well. So you can definitely use this lipstick as your blush. Oh my god, you're sweating so much. And the foundation is moving. Can you see from here the foundation has started to move. See, I was telling you na, something is wrong with the foundation. Anyways, let's just move forward. So I have got this Inside Cosmetics Duo 2-in-1 stick, and one side you have this beautiful contour which I must show you. I mean, I was amazed to see this क्योंकि generally ऐसे सस्ते products में ऐसा मिलता नहीं है. तो and another side I have this highlighter. So let's just use it and see how it works on my skin, on my face. Okay, so here is what I feel about the contour stick. The very first thing which I felt was that blend करने में it was taking a lot of time, and मैं NY Beka भी use करती हूँ. That just blends so easily on my face. And regarding the highlighter, I feel it's a very subtle highlighter, but it does have a little bit of chunky shimmer particle. But when you apply it on your face, it doesn't transfer that much. So I like the highlighter, but it does have glitter particle which will be visible if you are going too close, if someone is looking at you. On camera it is looking so pretty, I think, but in real life I think it can become a little over the top. So just wanted to let you guys know that. And the contour shade is really good, but it gave me a hard time blending it. So what I will suggest is that take the contour on the back of your hand and then go with the brush. And this brush is a pretty nice brush. You can use this brush for anything. So just dip it and then just blend it like we used the blush. So that's how you can, you know, this application can become much smoother. Now coming to the eyes, let me tell you, for my eyeshadow, again the cheapest eye palette was this. This is again the Blue Heaven palette. Now I thought I have this palette, so that's why I did not buy it. And also I don't have any eyebrow filler, because there is this shade which I think can be used as my eyebrow filler, like this one and again this shade, so you can mix them up and then fill your eyebrows. So let's see if I can fill my eyebrows using these two colors. Now I will be going with the black one first, because I feel it's not very pigmented, so it'll just give you a grey sort of look. So I think that I can use this. Now you can see the color, it just looks really nice. मतलब ऐसे over the top नहीं लग रहा है color जो है. And मैं वही brush use कर रही हूँ जो इस palette के साथ आया था, just to, you know, give this, yeah, I mean, yeah, you can see this is pretty much, I pretty much like the color for my eyebrows. It's not too much and it's not too subtle, so definitely you can use this color to fill your eyebrows naturally. Yeah, I kind of like this one, so you can see the difference. So I will be using this shade only because, you know, this is a grey shade, so it will just take care of filling your eyebrows really nicely. For my eye makeup, I will be using this palette only. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one in my crease first. Now I also have the Blue Heaven Get Bold eyeliner. Now this was so cheap, so I thought of getting this, and I will be drawing an eyeliner using the same, this, because I have used Blue Heaven's eyeliner, but it was too ago, so I thought let's just use this once more. By the way, this I bought, I did not receive. Okay, now for the fun part, I got this Inside Cosmetics mascara, so let's just use this and see how this works. Now this is their Perfect Ultra Curl Mascara. Let's just open this quickly. This video is already so long, and this is how the packaging looks like. The packaging looks super luxurious, I must say, and that's how the wand is. I feel the wand is pretty normal. There is nothing much in the wand. Let's just use it and see how it is. Okay, what I feel is that it is curling my lashes a bit, but it does not give any volume or anything like so. So if you like a natural looking, you know, if you want a natural looking mascara, so then this you can go. It is better than many other mascaras like. And so it was a struggle shooting this video because, you know, my camera, it just stopped recording, and I had to wait for 2 hours, and then here I am once more, and I will be finishing off my makeup. And just to tell you about the mascara, this is nice. I would say you can use this as your you know, daily mascara. It will curl your lashes a bit. Obviously it won't give you baba boom lashes, but yes, it will work a little bit on your eyelashes. Yes. And to set my makeup, I will be using Blue Heaven's makeup fixer, because this was again the cheapest on Nykaa. So I am just going to use this, and this is how the packaging looks like. Pretty clear liquid, you can see, and they say that it gives your skin a dewy glow look, silk matte effect. So let's see how this fares. So I'll just, obviously the spray is, you know how these sprays are, and it smells like sanitizer. Literally it smells like sanitizer. Right, so till the time this is drying up, we are going to finish off our makeup using a lipstick. And for lipstick, I have Inside Cosmetics matte lipstick. Now again, this was very cheap. This was just for 80 rupees. I mean, this is even cheaper than the Blue Heaven lipstick. And to tell you, this is how the lipstick looks like. Now I really love the packaging, by the way. Doesn't feel cheap at all. And that's how the color looks like. It's a nude color, obviously, and let me tell you the shade. This is Nude Coffee, and I really love the packaging, by the way. I'm just going to apply this. Okay. But it doesn't look like coffee. It's a rust color, stick. This says matte, but I don't know if it's matte or not because it is not settled yet. I think I have done my makeup, so I will just see you in a bit after 5 minutes till the time this lipstick dries. Okay guys, so now let's talk about the things which I have on my face one by one because I wore this foundation. So let's talk about the makeup primer. So the Blue Heaven makeup base, I feel it's a really nice primer. It's a really nice silicone based primer. You don't have to invest your money in the Color Bar or the Nykaa primer. This is very cheap and I really love the packaging although, and I liked it, and I think it did a nice job of blurring everything, but it, you know, it still makes my skin a little bit sweaty. So this is not, I won't say that it is perfectly matte. They say it gives a silk matte effect, so I agree that it does give a silk matte effect. Otherwise this did a very nice job, so definitely this is a hit. Coming to the foundation, which I thought will be a disaster. Now the packaging is also so flimsy. So this is what it looks like. This is V John foundation. This comes in only one shade. If you're darker than me, I don't know if this will suit you or not, but let me tell you, this foundation retails for only 50 rupees. This is not a foundation, I would say. This is sort of a moisturizer and light moisturizer. I won't call it a BB cream as well. This is like a tinted moisturizer, and it just gets into your skin and it adapts your skin color. That I saw, because you can see that does not have any coverage although. So you won't get any coverage using this one because of course this doesn't have any coverage. So I think, I don't know, I mean, I didn't like it, I don't dislike it that much, but I think this was a fail for me. Now coming to the concealer, which is the Inside Cosmetics 2X Cover Concealer. Let me tell you, this is a very regular wear concealer. So if you're a college going girl, you want something in your vanity but you don't want to spend a lot of money, so you can get it. But if you already have Swiss Beauty concealer and you want to, you know, get your hands on a new concealer, then buy this. Otherwise Swiss Beauty is the best. This does not have a lot of coverage. This is okay, so you can give this a pass, but it was fine for me, so I am not mad on this product, so it's okay, I would say. Now moving forward to the blush which I applied. So it's a lipstick, again lipstick, that lipstick. So this lipstick which is by Blue Heaven is a Walk Free lipstick. This is a really nice lipstick. The formula is super good and this color in particular is really good. So double thumbs up for this lipstick because you can use this as your blush. It just gives really nice finish to your face and I loved it. Okay, let me tell you, I loved it. Okay, now talking about the Inside Cosmetics Duo Stick 2-in-1 stick. Now I love the highlighter, I would say, because you can use this highlighter on your eyelids as well. See, it just gives a really nice iridescent glow, and on my cheeks also looks really good. You know, it just it's settled down after some time, so you have to give this highlighter a time. It's time to settle down, and then it just looks super good. And then if I talk about the contour is also good. The only thing you have to keep in mind that apply and then blend quickly, because it can set and then you won't be able to blend it properly. That's what happened to me, but otherwise this is a really nice product, what I feel. So it worked for me, so you can definitely go and check it out. Moving ahead, now this is the Blue Heaven eyeshadow. Now let me tell you, I don't know, like I don't like this eyeshadow that much, but it has all the primary colors. You can see, like, to blend in your crease. Now this gray, or I would say sort of black, is really good because I filled my eyebrows with this. So it's a multitasking palette. You can definitely get it because this is so cheap. So again, this is 50-50 for me, I would say. About the Blue Heaven Flawless Base Powder. Now I didn't like this powder. I don't like I have used it earlier as well. I didn't like it then, and right now also it didn't work for me. So you can give this one a pass. Now talking about mascara, I felt this mascara is really good for everyday use, and plus it is very inexpensive. So if you want a mascara, you know, before applying your lashes, you can definitely use this one, or you want something for an everyday basis, so definitely go for this one. This is washable also, so it's very easy to remove as well. Okay, now talking about the makeup settings spray, it does have a peculiar fragrance to it. Like I have told you that it has a fragrance like a sanitizer, but it does set my face really nicely. It does give my skin a really nice glow. So definitely for glow, this is really good. You can definitely get your hands on this one. Eyeliner, definitely 100% yay. It is so inexpensive, and you see it is super black, it is super pigmented. So definitely yay for this one, only for 40 rupees. Amazing eyeliner. Lastly, talking about this Inside Cosmetics matte lipstick, I didn't like it. I mean, it transfers a lot. So the Blue Heaven lipstick is much better than this one. The packaging and everything is nice, but the color I didn't like. So you can give this one a pass. You know, you can go ahead and buy the Blue Heaven one. So I think I have included everything. I hope so that I didn't miss out anything. Yeah, I have included everything. So that was my small review sort of thing. So you will get a better idea if you have to go and buy what products you can buy from Nykaa. That if they are cheap, they will not work on you, or vice versa. So see it for yourself, what works for you. Sometimes it might happen that something I like doesn't suit you, something you like doesn't suit me. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys want to watch next. I will be more than happy to make something like that. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Love you guys a lot. Bye bye.